Learn English to Gujarati comparisons. Good, better, best in.
Sāruṁ.
2.
Sauthi vadhu.
Welcome to the mango contest. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a very serious competition, judging mangoes like a dramatic TV star. Yes, your language skills are about to become
vadhāre sāruṁ.
Imagine you arrive at the great mango contest of Gujarat. A judge lifts one mango and says, "This one is
sāruṁ.
Another judge squints at a shinier mango and says, "No, this one is
vadhāre sāruṁ.
Then a grandmother appears from nowhere, as grandmothers often do in stories, tastes one bite, and declares, "Children, stop arguing. This is
sauthi sāruṁ.
Quote. You have just learned good, better, and best. The tragic side of the fruit table. Of course, not every mango is a winner. Some mangoes have clearly given up on life, and that is useful for vocabulary. At the other end of the table, one mango looks suspicious. You sniff it and whisper, "Oh no. This is
kharab."
Quote. Then you find another one that is even softer, sadder, and somehow leaking mystery. That one is
vadhu kharab.
Finally, under a little spotlight of shame, there is the champion of disaster. The judge points with a dramatic finger and says, "This one is
sauthi kharab."
Quote. Now you know bad, worse, and worst. Quick pattern power. Now let us make the pattern easy, because your brain loves patterns almost as much as it loves snacks. Say it with me. Good is
sāruṁ.
Better is
vadhāre sāruṁ.
Best is
sauthi sāruṁ.
Now the negative side. Bad is
kharab.
Worse is
vadhu kharab.
Worst is
sauthi kharab.
A useful trick.
Sauthi
Often helps you express the top level, like best or worst. Very handy. Very dramatic. Much, most, and too many mangoes. You cannot have a fruit contest without quantity words. That would be illegal in mango law. A farmer arrives with baskets and baskets of fruit. You gasp and say, "That is
ghanū."
fruit. There is much fruit, much juice, much chaos, and probably much sticky shirt. Then one basket towers above all the others. That basket has the most. In Gujarati, most is
sauthi vadhu.
So you can say, "This basket has
sauthi vadhu.
mangoes." Mini dialogue at the market. Listen to this silly market scene and notice how the words work in conversation. Seller. Welcome. My mangoes are
sāruṁ.
Customer. Just good? I want
vadhāre sāruṁ.
Seller. Ah, then try this one. It is
sauthi sāruṁ.
Customer. Excellent. And what about that one hiding in the back? Seller. Please do not look at that one. It is
kharab.
Customer. And the one under it? Seller. Honestly, that is
vadhu kharab.
Customer. Then which one is
sauthi kharab.
Seller. The one I accidentally sat on. Customer. How many good ones do you have? Seller.
ghanū.
Customer. Which basket has
sauthi vadhu.
Seller. The big one next to the goat. Your turn to compare. Now you jump in. I will give you the English idea and you think of the Gujarati. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. Funny pressure. How do you say good?
sāruṁ.
How do you say better?
vadhāre sāruṁ.
How do you say best?
sauthi sāruṁ.
How do you say bad?
kharab.
How do you say worse?
vadhu kharab.
How do you say worst?
sauthi kharab.
How do you say much?
ghanū.
How do you say most?
sauthi vadhu.
Tiny story, big memory. Here is one fast story to glue everything together in your memory. Picture it like a cartoon. You open a small shop. On day 1, your tea is
sāruṁ.
On day 2, after practice, your tea becomes
vadhāre sāruṁ.
On day 3, a customer shouts, "This is
સૌથી સારું.
tea in town." But then your cousin tries making tea alone. His first cup is
ખરાબ.
The second cup is
વધુ ખરાબ.
The third cup is
સૌથી ખરાબ.
And even the spoon looks offended. Still, customers come in
ઘણું.
numbers, and on festival day you sell
સૌથી વધુ.
cups of all. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced a full set of comparison words in Gujarati, and that is genuinely impressive. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep repeating.
સારું. વધારે સારું. સૌથી સારું. ખરાબ. વધુ ખરાબ. સૌથી ખરાબ. ઘણું.
And
સૌથી વધુ.
out loud. Practice a little every day, laugh at your mistakes, and your Gujarati will get.
વધારે સારું.
And maybe even
સૌથી સારું.